Before Hurricane Irma made landfall in Florida, Governor Rick Scott put out a call for volunteer nurses to help in shelters.
KGUN 9 on your side's Whitney Clark spoke to one Tucson nurse who's on standby to help those impacted by the storm. Whitney.
Well, before Governor Scott made that call, volunteer Lee Shadon tells me she had already made the decision to offer her assistance because she just loves to help people. Shadon is a nurse here in Tucson who volunteers through the American Red Cross. She's been deployed to 13 natural disasters since 2010. Shadon isn't sure where she's going, but she is on standby and may be sent to Florida or one of the islands impacted by Irma. She often gives people going through stressful times this advice.
They're just things. I always say they're just things. You know, you're here. You're okay. Your family's okay. And right now, we're going to take care of you. We're going to keep you warm.
She responded to Superstorm Sandy in 2012 and was stationed in Manhattan. Her role as a nurse is to help people with over-the-counter meds and basically just act as a support system, getting them shelter and food and clothing. She's often stationed in a shelter, but also does outreach efforts to find people stuck in their homes who may be too shy to get help. Now,